I'm Joan Osborne, better known as Auntie Queenie. Today, I'm reading from the NGC's Children Bocas Lit Fest Storytelling Caravan. The name of my story is Maco the Village Parrot, and it is written by the children from Sandy Gandhi. Bianca sat on the tallest coconut tree in the village, where she could Maco everybody's business. Not everyone liked Bianca. Tommy, the village bully, hated her because she told on him when he hid old man Mooty's crutches. She also told on him when he stole the cupcakes out of Lady Hilda's oven. One day, Bianca was sitting in her unlocked cage. Tommy realized that no one was around and decided to teach Bianca a lesson. He threw Bianca into a paper bag and ran into the forest. Bianca scratched at the bag and squawked very loudly. When the parrot stopped making noise, he opened the bag to see if she was still alive. Bianca escaped from the bag and flew up into a tall tree. Wicked boy, squaw, squaw, she screamed at Tommy. Tommy realized that he didn't know the way back home. Leaving Bianca behind, he started to run. In his haste, he tripped and fell into a deep hole. He started bawling and screaming for help, but no one was there to hear him. It grew darker and darker while Tommy sat in the hole and cried. When he looked up, he saw above him a Bianca perched on a tree. She laughed as his pleas for help before flying away. Bianca returned to the village. She sat on her owner's shoulder as he led a search party for Tommy. Wicked boy in the hole, he started to say, and then said it over and over again. Her owner asked her to show them where he was. The villagers found Tommy down the deep hole, crouching in a corner and trembling with fear. He was holding on his arm, which had been hurt in the fall. Quickly, they retrieved him and rushed him into the hospital. A few days later, Bianca sat on her coconut tree and saw Tommy come home from school. She felt proud that she had been able to save him. She crawled into her cage and fell asleep. When she opened her eyes, Tommy was standing there, offering her a biscuit. She gently lifted it from his fingers. Tommy said he was sorry for giving Bianca so much trouble and asked to be her friend. Bianca was very happy, and she had a new friend and a biscuit for all her troubles.